Welcome to Shutterbug in Norway, where the world comes alive soar above Norway's majestic fjords in summer. Glide through snow, covered peaks and frozen lakes, and winter witness a magical sunrise, painting the mountains in gold-stunning landscapes, timeless moments, captured one breathtaking frame at a time.
Welcome to Shutterbug in Norway. Today we invite you on a peaceful hiking tour to Presentåsen Nature Park in Sandefjord, a hidden gem nestled in southern Norway. The scenic area is known for its rocky hills, tall pine forests, and ancient coastal trails. Once covered by thick glaciers, thousands of years ago, the land was shaped by the Ice Age, which left behind stunning geological formations. Presentåsen is not only a nature park, but also a place filled with fascinating history. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, ice blocks were cut from local ponds and lakes during the cold winters, stored in insulated cellars, and later exported by ship mainly to England. This natural ice trade was a booming business before modern refrigeration. The trails you walk today once echoed with footsteps of workers hauling blocks of crystal clear ice through the snow-filled forests and down to the icy harbor. As you hike through Presentåsen, you will see quiet forest paths, sunlight streaming through pine trees, and ancient boulders covered in moss. The terrain is gentle and family-friendly with panoramic views from the top that overlook Sandefjord and the glimmering coastline in summer. The rocks warm up under the sun, inviting you to sit and enjoy a peaceful break. Listen to the birds, hear the breeze, and feel the connection with nature. Along the way, you may discover small signs with information about local wildlife plants and the ice export history that made this area important in the past. Presentåsen is more than just a park. It is a place where nature and heritage meet, where old stone walls still whisper stories of a time when Norwegian ice traveled far beyond these quiet woods. Welcome to a timeless landscape captured through the lens of Shutterbug in Norway. That brings us to the end of our hiking journey at Presentåsen Nature Park in Sandefjord, Norway, a place where nature, history, and stunning views come together in every step. If you enjoyed the walk and the stories from the trail, share and subscribe to Shutterbug in Norway for more peaceful journeys and scenic moments from across this beautiful country. See you in the next adventure.